Today was the stupidest decision you've ever made.
On the afternoon of May 2nd, 2026, an Arkansas State Police trooper attempted to pull over a speeding Dodge Charger on Highway 118 in Joyner, Arkansas.
Get out of the car with your hands up. Put your hands up. Got a female coming out of the back seat on the driver's side. Hands up.
My baby's coming up, man.
Got a toddler walking out of the back. Got a baby. Come stand right here. You're okay. Come right here, baby. Come right here. Come right here. Sit up here, okay? Sit right here, baby. Sit right here. Is it just you? Why did you run from me with a baby in the car? I don't care where you're going. Why would you do that? Crawl to me. I don't care. Crawl to me. Crawl to me. You crawled out of the car, you crawl to me. You okay? You okay? The child is okay. She's with me, sitting on the hood of my car. The mother's trying to crawl to me. Get over here. Are you the only person in the car? You're going to crawl over here. Quit trying to walk. Just crawl.
Mother trying to crawl.
She's stating she's the only one in the vehicle, and I'm going to have her crawl to me, and then we'll clear it when they get here. Hey, over here. Crawl to this side of my car. Stay right here, sweetie. Get over here. I don't care. Get over here. You just ran from me.
I'm sorry.
Walk up here. Get up. Get up.
Can I call someone to get my baby?
Well, yeah, obviously.
Mama.
15 minutes, female.
And one female, 240.
Mama. I'm so sorry, sir.
You should be. That was the stupidest thing I've ever seen. Could have killed your own child.
Hey, buddy.
Let's clear this real quick.
Sit right there, okay?
Yep.
My dad stays right there. He's trying to get him there. Nothing's in the car. Nothing's in the car. No boy, no nothing. I'm not a... This is my boyfriend's car. Boy. His name's Gavin O'Dell.
Huh?
See nobody else?
.34 Jonesboro.
34.
Me and the deputy got this car cleared as best we can. She says there's nobody else in there. Next 1011.
jail. I didn't want my baby to get hurt.
Why are you going to jail?
I don't have a license. My boyfriend.
That's why you ran for me?
Yes, sir.
You ran for me because you don't have a license? You almost killed your kid. Do you understand me? Come here. Stand in front of my car. You could have killed your child. Do you understand? That was the stupidest thing you've ever done in your life.
Okay.
Today was the stupidest decision you've ever made. You understand?
Let's go, man.
Pulling you over for going 80 and a 55.
I was not going.
You were.
No, sir.
Yeah, because you were trying to get away from me, and then you confirmed it by running from me. Quit talking.
I got you.
Yes, your mother is going to get the child.
Police are not in business. Regardless if you're going to...
No, we're not. No, we're not. You did this.
You already checked everything in there? Y'all checked the vehicle?
Yeah, yeah. We got to get it rolled over to finish checking it. But what's your name? Young, what's that tag again?
34, June 19.
Thank you.
3 to 34.
Go ahead.
Hey, y'all 1050, getting cleared than that?
Yeah, young, clearer than that. Everybody's 10-4, no injuries.
Resume normal traffic.
That's unbelievable. No, man, thank you.
On the interstate, I got with them guns and drugs and
Are you sitting here making excuses for you getting run? Do you want me to grab you again? Get over here. Come here. Are you sitting here making excuses for you running? Quit talking. Quit talking.
I don't do this.
Quit talking. Let me double lock your cuffs. I would listen. Listen. I could have people run for me all day and it not make me mad. You have got a baby in the car. I'm disgusted by you.
That is.
Let's get.
No. Can I get him from out of here, please, before
I will get your child out of here. I'm responsible for that baby now.
That's what I'm saying. That is so. Miss Sane, can you call my mother? Can you call?
36,
You okay, sweetie? Buddy, I mean. Who are you?
I'm Sandra Williams. I work at the nursing home with her mother, Shauna Jones.
Get Shauna down here. I can't just hand the baby off.
I know. Okay.
But if you want to hang here with the baby, you can hang out.
I will.
You want to hang out here with the baby? Come over here. Where's your car?
It's right there.
Go pull it into the post office and then come hang out right here. Okay? You're going to be all right, bud. You're going to be all right. Everything's okay. You okay? Can you sit here for a minute? Hey, I got to go check something out, okay? You want me to hold you? She's about to come over here, all right?
She's about to come back over here.
Talk to him. I'm going to go get a view.
You want me to hold you?
That tag will be fictitious. I'm not going to be able to get a view until the ready gets here.
Simple.
speed on the sign that was not going as well as well hoped.
That car's been repainted. It's blue originally.
That one was?
Yeah.
You okay?
You want to start taking pictures?
Are you good?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good.
You driver's side, TDI.
It was a rear end. She was cutting me off, so I just got up against her rear and pushed her off the road. What is your name?
3036. Good.
Huh? Speak up.
Give me a 21.
Speak up. You're brave enough to run for me. Speak up.
I was not running. 80 miles per hour is running. I never passed 80. Sir, I never passed 80, and as I was, you were
Give
gonna kill me.
your name.
Trying to get beside me to kill me.
Give me your name.
Why wouldn't I slow you
Give
down?
me your name, or you'll have another charge. Give me your name.
I tried to. THALIA. It's to Jones.
Where's your ID out of?
Here. Here.
State property and residential. There was a mailbox.
That is not fair.
PC for the stop.
80 and a 55.
Hey, hit me! Hit me, sir! Why?
How long have you?
Why would you?
How long?
When you ran the plates, whose name did you see? There was no reason for you to pull me over.
Who are you wanting to take your child?
Her.
What's her name?
That's Minnie Vasquez, Minerva Vasquez. That is my godmother.
Okay.
Can I talk to You just wanted to kill me. You just wanted to kill somebody.
Wanted to kill somebody.
That is what. That's all y'all what?
All right.
That is not gay.
All right.
And it's too tight. You just yelled. Why
Do you need an ambulance?
I don't know.
Yes, sir.
And that, so we know that's who's going to be taking possession of the child.
Okay.
And then I'll get that back to her, okay?
Okay. All right.
Oh my gosh.
Hey, when you get your earliest convenience, you need to.
That is not a.
Okay.
I've got a ticket for 80 and a 55.
See you later, Joe. 444.
But they never tried to kill me.
Still.
63, County Road 137, Arkansas, 407,
You still
963,
Run the tape back, you still hit me. And I walked down here.
Hey, sorry.
The child was uninjured and released to another adult at the scene with Jones's permission. Thalia Jones was also medically cleared and taken into custody. She now faces multiple charges, including speeding, reckless driving, driving on a suspended license, endangering the welfare of a minor, and unauthorized use of a vehicle after allegedly fleeing in her boyfriend's Dodge Charger. She was released on a $10,000 bond. According to the police report, Jones also had 2 active misdemeanor warrants in another county at the time of the chase, and the incident was reported to the Arkansas Child Abuse Hotline. She could face up to 6 years in prison.